Okay, so we're at the Dreo booth and we're looking at the ChefMaker, which is right over there. He's going to be making a medium rare steak, and then we'll judge it.
So which gets close to the boil elements to so have better browning.
Air fryer?
It's an air fryer, but it's an upgraded version of air fryer. Yeah.
Okay, I get it. They use water. It doesn't dry out.
And so it doesn't overcook the surface before the center's done.
Yeah, it acts like a reverse sear method.
Okay, so that's where it plugs in, right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was here in the meeting this morning. Oh, you were? Yeah. And so we learned a lot about this stuff. I see this sometimes. We hit the potatoes turned out really well. This is what we're really curious about. Yeah. If we can do a steak. How long a time would this take?
45 minutes. 45. Yeah. I'm gonna do a sous vide version of it. Yeah.
Well, the big thing is 45 minutes, but you're not doing it. You just walk away.
Yeah. So here's the tips.
Especially if you're doing.
So we use a grilling rack.
Yep.
Make sure the probe is at the thickest part of the meat. And we got some oil on top. We do medium rare, sous vide flavor, and classic flavor. We do sous vide flavor. We'll start.
And that's it.
Yep.
And let it do its thing. And we are complete.
Magic.
Oh, yeah, man.
Is that in New York? New York. Yep. There you go. Nói rồi đó.再来一次。
All right, let's see what she's like.
What did you have the temperature set at?
Well, he chose medium rare.
Medium rare. Okay, good.
So
145.
he literally just said medium rare on the screen.
45 minutes. 45 to 50.
Hold on. Okay, I'm ready.
All right.
Looks good.
Very good.
That's good medium rare right there. Yeah.
Nice.
Look at this edge-to-edge thickness.
Yep.
Very thin gray layer.
That's great. All
All
right.
right, I'm gonna go ahead and start it.
Go for it.
All right, so please are ready, right?
I'll take it.
Yes, exactly.
There you go. I'm ready. Go ahead.
See the outside has a good Maillard reaction.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh, it's so good. Oh my goodness. So good.
All right, we're gonna flip this camera around. Reaction.
That's the reaction shot, right?
Oh,
Reaction shot.
that is awesome. It's perfectly cooked. I know.
Juice
Yes.
is perfect.
Absolutely delicious. Okay.
Okay, that met my expectations.
All right, Scott, you got to get one.
It actually exceeded my expectations.
So awesome.